Good morning, this is SmartwatchSpecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. Okay, we have here the latest smartwatch from Lenovo. We have the Lenovo E1 smartwatch. Okay, the smartwatch, okay, I see rectangular based on the image here. It's like a rectangular smartwatch. Okay, they say it has an Apple Watch design, an Apple Watch look-alike design. So we'll see. Okay, so let's have a unboxing of the Lenovo E1 smartwatch. Okay, so let's check it out. If you have any questions regarding the smartwatch, please drop a comment below and we will answer your queries. Okay, so here Lenovo E1. Okay, so we have here the smartwatch with a silicone strap, and as you can see here, a quick release pin. Okay, let's check out the design. Thick. I guess it is a unibody alloy case or steel case. Heart rate monitor. Let's check out the contents here. We have it magnetic. Okay, so we have here a magnetic strap. Lenovo E1 user manual. We have a user manual here. Okay, so it's Lenovo, but very disappointing with the user manual. Just a photocopy. Bond paper, not even a decent printout, but a photocopy of the user manual. Anyway, let's check it out. Okay, so as you can see here, let's check the specs page here. Just check it out at smartwatchspecifications.com. It has a 1.33 inch TFT LCD with 240 by 240 pixel resolution. Okay, 2.5D tempered glass here, scratch resistant. What else? Let's check. Okay, touch button key, zinc alloy, so 58 grams. Let's check. Check again. 58 grams. Okay, it has a proprietary OS, Bluetooth version 4.0. Okay, so simple design, not really that an Apple Watch look. Anyway, most of the smartwatches right now with a rectangular design is aiming to mimic the Apple Watch look. Okay, so full color display with doesn't have a touchscreen support but a touch key. Okay, let's remove this. Very sharp color here, very responsive touch key. Okay, so that's your Lenovo smartwatch. Okay, check out the menus. We have the sports here, sleep tracking, heart rate monitor, long push to measure, training, message, notifications, shutter, music player here, long push for other options here, back, switch style. Okay, so let's check. We have here timer, mute, reset, power off, brightness, back, long press again. So let's check. So that's the watch face. Okay, as you can see here, nothing impressive about the Lenovo E1, although it's very affordable, and it is several options here. Back again, going back again. Does it have a multi-mode sports? Let's check. Just walking, that's it. So we have here walking, running, cycling, skipping rope, badminton, basketball, football, and that's it. Okay, nice. So it has several multi-mode sports, or several sports and fitness. Long push to look. Okay, so meaning with the notifications, you can also read the messages right on your smartwatch. Shutter, remote control for the camera of your smartphone, and a music player, Bluetooth music player. The Lenovo E1 doesn't have an onboard storage, so you need to connect it to your smartphone to control the music on your music player, on your smartphone, of course. Okay, let's check other options here, especially for the watch face. Okay, as you can see here, we only have at least 3 watch faces here. Maybe if you connected with the support app, maybe you can check if there are other options there or other watch faces. That's it. Okay, so the first one is much better compared to the number 2 and the third watch face. Okay, so far just a typical smartwatch from Lenovo. It's okay, not that impressive, not that bad either, but I hope they could have implemented a touchscreen support for this one, for the smartwatch. Anyway, it's Lenovo. Let's check if the battery will last for several days. Based on the details here, we have 180 mAh lithium polymer battery with standby time of 25 days. IP67 waterproof with a 2.5D tempered glass, heart rate monitor, pedometer. Okay, multiple dial display, and compatible with Android and iOS. Again, let's take a closer look at the design of the Lenovo E1 smartwatch. Simple design, minimalist approach, clear, sharp display with touch key support. Again, if you have any questions regarding this smartwatch, please drop a comment below and we will answer your queries. This is your Lenovo E1 smartwatch. Bye.